Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit store cart in Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you can see first that you have a cart right here. If you don't have that, you can actually add that element using this add elements button. But this is actually default on your website if your website is a store. So my website is a store, so I can just click on this cart right here. This is the cart icon and mini cart. So you can click on this settings right here. Once you have clicked on that settings, it will open this window right here wherein you can choose your cart icon. So for example, you can choose this one, or you can also choose this one if you want, as well as this one and this one. So just choose what cart icon you want, as well as the cart icon style, wherein you can choose the icon color, bubble color, number, font, and color. Then on the mini cart right here, you should be able to change what this on the customer shows on their cart while they're still shopping. So let's click on this text right here, and you can see here my cart is empty or blue cart right here. So you can just change all of this right here. So for example, the cart title can be cart for me, and we can actually apply this. So let's head back, and we can also change the sign. Like for example, let's change it into red. And then the title can be on the color of pink right here. So the background colors can also change. For example, we want it on the purple as well as the body on purple right here. So we can also change the divider color as well as the button style, opacity, and all of these things right here. Now, for example, let's see a preview and publish it. So let's publish it first on our Wix website. And once you have published it, you should be able to see what your cart will actually look like. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.